everyone, welcome to our channel, it's Malay Philippines. It's Sunday afternoon, we're here in SM Clark with Georgie and Leon. I just finished work and Leon picked up me. And right now we're going to eat in Marugani.
Hi Georgi. Today you not filming or later? Later. How you billiard? You play today? Oh, yesterday. Many people already Saturday. Many people. 11. But you say it in the January more people before. So it's not enough also.
No, it's enough.
It's good already, yeah? And you win yesterday?
One time, one game.
One game you win. How much?
500 pesos.
500. Because 11 person, each person is...
First game was 10, and second game 11. Last game 7.
Okay. And Shaira. What you watch? Movie? Play game. It's your food, Shaira. This is your. What name? Viodon. It's our bill. And ice tea also. Our food. What is this? Georgi. Georgi likes spicy. Teriyaki, I also order teriyaki. Chicken teriyaki. More popular here. But Shaira don't want so many.
I don't like chicken.
You don't like chicken. But why you not eat?
I'm waiting.
You wait. Okay, we can eat. What is event, Shaira?
Yes, it's day of Flores de Mayo.
Every year.
Yes.
But why here? Before in the center.
We will go to another side too.
They move. Festival. Shaira say to you. Flores de Mayo, like this name. What Shaira again say?
Flores de Mayo.
Flores de Mayo. Flores de Mayo. You say. Every year.
Das ist auch gut, ja. Und wir sind nicht so.
Shaira, you explain about yesterday.
Last night, not school. Outside because rain or heavy rain.
Saturday we not go to Angeles.
Yes. It was also had heavy rain last night. And also I'm tired. Leon also tired. I've been in work. Leon been in walk so many.
Yeah, I walk in Mabalacat. Tired?
Because it's there. It's not easy for me.
Okay.
Like that if I am.
Tired?
I'm not tired. I just scared only because it's so high.
So high for you. Where you can sit. Again start rain. So outside we cannot sit. Start rain again. Shaira, why we sit? It's like meditation or what? For every old people can sit. It's free or not? Free? Oh, it's good. Basketball.
Baby shot, one shot. Baby shot, one shot.
Georgi help to Shaira with backpack. Georgi, back to the school? Shaira give to him her backpack. Now rain. That's why we help send Georgi to...
For me, it's maybe 5% of my weight. And for sure 10.
Maybe. Okay, try, Shaira. Try. No, jump. Okay. Okay. Okay, finish. Okay. Rain. Yes.